Welcome back, everyone. John here with Inhale, Exhale, and this is a channel that's dedicated to teaching you tools, techniques, and modalities for emotional release and achieving true and real, lasting transformation. So if this is the type of content that you would like to receive more of, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified when videos like this are released in the future. Okay, so in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take you through a full letting go session. And I've decided to create this video because I've done a lot of research, and out there's a lot of people talking about different concepts related to letting go, but there's not a lot of how and not a lot of practicality. And I believe that it's really important to understand the how, and so that's what I'm going to be bringing to you today. And the method that we're going to be going through is the exact same one that I take my one-on-one clients through. So you're going to be getting access to a fully verified method that has proven results, and it takes into account all of the different processes that are out there, including David Hawkins' work, the Sedona method, presence process, Michael Singer's work, and we're putting it all together into a very simple and easy to follow process. And so this is going to be broken down into 3 different stages. And the first stage is going to require a pen and something to write with. And during this stage, you're going to be writing down all the things that come to mind around a particular thing that you're looking to let go of. And the purpose of this stage is to get the thoughts and the emotions moving within you, and also to kind of help bring some clarity to what it is that you're wanting to let go of. The second step is going to be a body scan meditation, which is going to take you deep into the body, which is absolutely necessary if you're looking to successfully let go. And then in the third stage, from this meditative state that you're going to be being in, from doing the body scan meditation, you're going to be evoking emotions related to the thing that you're trying to let go of. And then as you evoke the emotions, you're going to become aware of them, notice where in your body you're feeling them, then you're going to sit with them, welcome them, and feel them. And then this will hopefully lead to a release for you. And I'll be checking in with you at the end of the video to see kind of where you're at with the process and how this technique went for you. Okay, so as I mentioned, stage 1 is going to require a pen and something to write with. So if you don't have that now, go and find something. You can pause the video and come back to it when you've got that. So for this stage, on your piece of paper, you're going to spend the next 2 minutes writing down everything that comes to mind around the thing that you're trying to let go of. As you're writing these things down, it doesn't necessarily have to make sense. This is a stream of consciousness exercise, and it's just meant to kind of bring up stuff for you. So spend 2 minutes writing down everything that comes to mind around this thing that you want to let go of. It could be a fear, it could be something that you've been resisting, something that causes any level of discomfort. Just choose something. So go ahead, get started, pause the video, come back when you're done. Okay, so now we're going to go on to stage 2. And as I mentioned, for stage 2, we're going to be going through a deep body scan meditation. And this body scan meditation is going to be different than the ones that you're normally going to come across online. This one's going to be taking you much further beyond just noticing sensations. You're going to be going deep within the body and feeling from a place of awareness. And for this exercise, you can do this either sitting up or lying down with eyes open or closed. And if you choose to keep your eyes open, just soften your gaze as you keep your eyes open. Okay, so I invite you to get into a comfortable position. And we're going to bring our attention to the breath. In and out through the nose. And just rest here for the next couple moments. And now we're going to be unhooking our awareness from the thinking mind. And as you unhook, don't worry about exactly how to do it. Just follow your intuition and unhook your awareness from your thoughts. And notice where your awareness lands. And now bringing that awareness to the top of your head. And we're first going to begin noticing the sensations that are there. And now we're going to be dropping beneath the skin of the top of your head. And you're going to be feeling from this place. And then dropping just a little bit lower to the inside of your head. And again, feeling from this awareness. And now bringing that awareness down to your forehead, eyes, nose, cheekbones, ears, both sides of the jaw, mouth, chin. And now becoming aware of the entire face, and the awareness is going to be coming from within the face, feeling fully from within. And now bringing your attention down to your throat. And again, feeling deeply from within. And now bringing your awareness to your collarbones, shoulders, biceps, triceps, elbows, forearms, top of the hands, palms. And now bringing your attention to your chest. And again, feeling deeply from within. And now bringing your awareness down just a little bit and into your heart space. And just sit here for the next couple moments as you rest into your heart space and allowing it to open. And now bringing your attention down to your stomach, and again feeling deeply from within, unhooked completely from thoughts and feeling from awareness. And now bringing your attention to the back of your head, back of the neck, back of the shoulders, upper back, scanning down to your middle back, and scanning down to your lower back. And now becoming aware of your entire back, feeling deeply from within, and feeling your spine. And now bringing your awareness to your hips, thighs, hamstrings, top of the knees, back of the knees, shins, calves, top of the feet, bottom of the feet. And now becoming aware of your entire body. Just feeling all of the sensations. And there's no forcing here. Just allow all of the sensations to come into your awareness and feel from this place. And now from this place of presence, embodied presence, bring to mind the thing that you want to let go of. And then as this comes to mind, notice where in your body you are feeling it. And now welcoming those sensations, allowing those sensations to be there. And you can even say to yourself, I welcome or I allow this to be here. And just sitting here for the next couple moments, allowing and welcoming. Not being engaged with the mind, just feeling from awareness embodied presence. And now you can open your eyes. Notice how you're feeling in the moment. And let me know how you're feeling in the comments below. Now, if you would like access to more guided practices like this, I created a 3 audio bundle that is geared specifically towards people that are starting out with this process. And these are 3 guided practices that I've created to help you recognize certain blocks and overcome them early on. And this is the type of exercises and work that I wish that I had access to when I was first starting out. And if this is something that you would like access to, click the link in the description, and it's called Feel to Heal. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel to get notified of future videos like this. And if you found value in this video, I would really appreciate a like. And if you haven't already seen my other video on a simple 3-step process to letting go, you can click this video right here. And if you would like to begin exploring some of the most common blocks that people experience when they're trying to let go, you can click this video right here. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.